Buongiorno! Welcome to Mamma Mia's kitchen. Today, we are going to make a simple yet delicious Italian appetizer, Prosciutto-Wrapped Asparagus Bundles. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 1 bunch of fresh asparagus, 10 slices of prosciutto, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of lemon zest, optional freshly grated Parmesan cheese, optional, and fresh lemon wedges for serving. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Wash and trim the asparagus spears, removing the tough ends. In a large bowl, toss the asparagus with olive oil, sea salt, black pepper and garlic powder until they are evenly coated. Now take your asparagus spears and wrap 1 slice of prosciutto around the middle. Repeat this until all the asparagus and prosciutto are used. Arrange the prosciutto-wrapped asparagus bundles on a baking sheet, making sure they're not touching each other. Bake in the preheated oven for about 15 minutes or until the prosciutto is crispy and the asparagus is tender. Move to a serving dish and get ready to top with Parmesan cheese and melt if preferred. Buon appetito! Enjoy your prosciutto-wrapped asparagus bundles, perfect for an appetizer or a delightful side dish. From Mamma Mia's kitchen to yours, grazie for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more authentic Italian recipes. Ciao!
Discover your genius in the kitchen. La Germania.